Hi, good evening. I am Prashant. I'm a B graduate from a mechanical background. I was thinking to shift IT industry, but I was feeling difficulty initial days because I was learning from the YouTube. So I heard about the Jspider, which is an institution where many technologies like Java, SQL, web technologies, so on. So I learned a lot from the Jspider. I would like to thank to all faculties who taught me, especially for Uday sir, Keshav sir, Bhuvan sir, Sharik sir, and I would like to thank all the HRs who helped me to get placed. So I will I wish I would like to tell one thing that JSpider is an institution where we can learn a lot from them, and we can get a job. We can get a job also. So thank you.